Alright, this video comes from section 7, topic 3, and we're going to talk about graphs of exponential functions. Exponential functions are written in the form of f of x equals a times b to the x. And the first question says, what key feature of the exponential function does the a term represent? In the previous video, when we were talking about geometric sequences, our a term was our starting point. And in math, our starting point is our y-intercept. That can be found when your x is 0. So when x is 0, y is 1. So 0, 1. Alright, and then we can use that information in order to find our b, which is our common ratio. Alright, b is our common ratio. What are we consistently multiplying by? So let's go ahead and make a table in order to find our common ratio. Alright, so x and y. So when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 3. Alright, and when x is 2, y is 9. So what are we multiplying by each time? We can see our common ratio is 3. Alright, so we're multiplying by 3. So if we wanted to write this function from what we see so far, we would say f of x is equal to a, which is 1, times 3 to whatever term that we are looking for. Alright, we can also talk about the end behavior of this graph. Alright, so as our x's are decreasing, so as x is going down, what is happening to our y values? Alright, well, our y values are going down, and we might tend to say that that's decreasing, but there's a point at which it never crosses. It never crosses this limit here, alright, of 0. So as x decreases, alright, y approaches 0. Alright, it's not just decreasing. We can be more specific. We say it approaches 0. It gets closer and closer to 0, but it's never crossing. Alright, if we're looking in the opposite direction, as our x's are increasing, alright, what is happening to our y's? Well, we can see that as x increases, y also increases. So you might have to answer questions on end behaviors of graphs, and that is a review of looking at graphs of exponential functions, being able to pick out the key features, and talk about the end behaviors. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Also, post your name in the comments so I can give you credit for watching the video.